Hi and welcome to Cycle Maintenance Academy. I'm Arek and in today's video I'm going to show you how to correctly lubricate a Shimano roller brake. Okay, let's begin. Tools required. Flathead screwdriver. Roller brake grease. This kind of grease differs from standard bike grease. It is designed to keep water out and endure significant pressure, giving your roller brake lasting lubrication and preventing it from losing efficiency or getting jammed. 10 ml syringe, useful to distribute the correct amount of grease into the roller brake. Shimano recommends applying around 5 grams of the roller brake grease into the brake. However, it is really difficult to dispense the correct amount of grease directly from the grease tube because it doesn't have any scale markings. Lubricating a roller brake. Knowing that 1 ml of grease weighs around 0.9 gram, fill the syringe with between 5 and 6 ml of grease. Remove the cap from the grease hole. Insert the syringe nozzle into the grease hole. Rotate the wheel gently and dispense grease into the roller brake. Remove the syringe from the grease hole and replace the cap. Test the brake to ensure it functions properly and does not produce any unusual noises. If it does, you may want to service your roller brake. I've made a great video for you here that will guide you through the process of servicing a Shimano roller brake. There's also a link for you to this video in the description below. If you need to adjust your brake, then click on my video here to follow step-by-step process on how to adjust the roller brake. You can also find a link to this video in the description below. Thanks for tuning in. Share your experience with lubricating your roller brake in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more, consider making a small donation by clicking on the super thanks icon below the video. Thanks!